Hello again guys. In today's tutorial you will learn how to turn off last seen and online on WhatsApp. It's very easy. Just a couple of steps. First, let's quickly check if WhatsApp is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and find WhatsApp. If there is a button update, click on it. And wait a couple of seconds. Then open WhatsApp and head over to the settings page. Here you can find an option called Privacy. Click on it. At the top you can see an option called Last Seen and Online. Click. New page will appear. Here you can select the option for who can see your last seen and who can see you when you are online. I will choose that nobody can see my last seen, and here I will choose same as last seen. Note that if you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see other people's last seen and online. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.